Welcome, Miss Universe Philippines National Director, Ariela Arida. Since Q&A is your favorite, we will do.
Ooh, thank you, Voltaire. Oh my God, actually, I didn't prepare my speech, but I prepared my dress. No, but everyone, seriously, thank you all so much. I wanna, of course, say my utmost thank to of course, our beloved Mama Jonas Gaffo. Thank you so much for this huge trust that you put on me, for this great opportunity for the Miss Universe Philippines organization. To all the staff, to all the directors, thank you so much for trusting me. I know this is a big shoes to fill in, but not everyone knows that even from the start on how Miss Universe Philippines started, I was there looking at them, I still get to talk with them. So I'm still involved on what's happening and I supported them from the very start. And little did I know that after 5 years, I would be here studying in everyone. And now I'm part of the team. And not only that, I'm a national director. Oh my God. Thank you for this opportunity. I'm just really excited for what's coming in with the Miss Universe Philippines. And I've seen the hard work that our board members have done for the organization. And I've seen the hard work of everyone as well. I want to say thank you to all our media partners, our pageant people, to everyone who have supported Miss Universe Philippines from the very start. This won't be as successful as this one without the help of you guys. So I hope this time, let's be more supportive, let's be more mindful, let's spread kindness and love to all our delegates and to all the people around the organization. And to all the girls backstage, I know it's so hard to be part of Miss Universe Philippines. If you would ask me if I'm gonna join again, I don't think I can because every year it gets harder and harder, tougher and tougher. But I salute all the girls for joining and for pursuing their dreams. And I do hope that this year, hopefully, we get our 5th Miss Universe crown from this year's batch. And of course, this would be possible with all your effort, with all your help, and of course with me over here. Oh my God. No, but I would promise to really do my best. To help the organization, to be a leader, to inspire, and to grow together with the team and together with the ladies out here. So thank you all so much, and I'm just so excited for what's more to come for the Miss Universe Philippines organization. Congratulations, everyone. Thank you, Jonas. Thank you, Voltaire. Thank you, Ms. Max. Everyone in the team. Maraming salamat po. And I would truly be thankful for this throughout the rest of my life. So maraming salamat.